USAA knows dynamic duos can save the day, like superheroes and sidekicks or auto and home insurance. With USAA, you can bundle your auto and home and save up to 10%. Learn more and get a quote at usaa.com/bundle. Restrictions apply.
Whatever the occasion, effortless elegance is right this way. Because Hilton brings you new ways to stay courtesy of the Nomad London. And it doesn't stop at award-winning dining in a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. No, this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London can be booked using your Hilton Honors points at Hilton.com? Hilton, for this day.
Welcome to Fun Facts Daily, your source for just the good stuff. Monday through Friday, we're bringing fun facts and news you can use, all carefully curated to uplift and inform. So give yourself a break, relax, and learn something awesome in just a few minutes every day. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to Fun Facts Daily. I'm your host Kyle Wood. Today we'll be learning all about octopuses, but before we get into the facts, let's warm up our brains with a little challenge to see if you can tell truth from fiction. Consider this. Octopuses are said to be amazing escape artists, but can they be so intelligent they could unscrew jars from the inside out to get food? What do you think? Is that an actual fact or just too good to be true? We'll find out at the end of this episode. Now for your word of the day. Today's word is cephalopod. This word refers to a class of marine animals that include octopuses, squids, and cuttlefish. The word cephalopod comes from the Greek words kephale, meaning head, and pus, meaning foot, literally translating to head foot. This makes perfect sense when you consider how their arms and tentacles are directly attached to their heads. This unique anatomical arrangement is what allows them such incredible dexterity and control over their numerous appendages, giving them their distinctive appearance and remarkable capabilities in the water. Time for your daily high five, our top 5 fun facts about octopuses. Number 1, octopuses have 3 hearts. That's right, 3. 2 of their hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through their gills, while the third and larger heart circulates blood to the rest of their body. This unique circulatory system is incredibly efficient, allowing them to thrive in their often oxygen-poor environments deep in the ocean, where oxygen levels can be much lower than at the surface. This multi-hearted design is a testament to the octopus's incredible adaptations. When an octopus swims, its systemic heart actually stops beating, which explains why these creatures tend to crawl more often than they swim. Swimming is quite taxing for them, and they conserve energy by relying on their tentacles for propulsion across the seafloor, using jet propulsion only when they need a burst of speed or to escape danger. Number 2. Octopuses are master camouflagers and can change their skin texture in addition to their color. Octopuses can instantly change their skin color and patterns to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, whether it's a rocky seabed, coral reef, or even a sandy patch. But they don't stop there. They can also alter the texture of their skin, creating bumps, ridges, or smooth surfaces to perfectly mimic rocks or algae. This incredible ability is thanks to specialized cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores. Chromatophores contain pigments that can be expanded or contracted. Iridophores create iridescent and metallic hues, and leucophores scatter light to produce white. It's not just for hiding from predators. They also use this skill to ambush prey and communicate with other octopuses, flashing patterns to signal warnings or attract mates. Number 3. Octopuses have blue blood. Unlike humans, whose blood is red due to iron-rich hemoglobin, octopus blood is blue because it contains a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin. This protein is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low oxygen environments, which is exactly where many octopuses live, particularly in deeper waters. The copper in hemocyanin binds to oxygen more effectively in these conditions, providing a crucial advantage for survival. Hemocyanin also plays a role in their vibrant color changes. The increased oxygen flow facilitated by their blue blood allows for quick physiological changes, including their remarkable ability for camouflage. This efficient oxygen delivery system allows for rapid energy production, which is essential for their lightning-fast changes in color and texture. Number 4. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent and have even been observed using tools. Octopuses have demonstrated remarkable problem-solving skills, navigating mazes, and even playing games. Their intelligence extends to tool use, with some species observed carrying coconut shells to use as portable shelters, a clear example of planning and foresight. This is particularly fascinating because tool use is often considered a hallmark of higher intelligence, typically associated with primates. Their cognitive ability is surprising given their relatively short lifespans, but it highlights their complex nervous system, which includes a centralized brain and significant neural networks in each of their arms that can operate semi-autonomously. Scientists are continually discovering new ways octopuses showcase their intellect, challenging our understanding of non-human intelligence and suggesting that complex thought can evolve in different ways. And our fifth and final fun fact, the mimic octopus can imitate other venomous sea creatures. Found in the Indo-Pacific, the mimic octopus takes camouflage to an extraordinary level by not just blending in, but actively impersonating other animals. It can mimic the appearance and swimming patterns of up to 15 different species, including venomous sea snakes, lionfish, and flatfish. This is a deliberate and sophisticated act of deception rather than just passive blending. This incredible trick helps the mimic octopus deter predators, as many of the animals it imitates are dangerous. By observing its environment and identifying potential threats, the mimic octopus can choose the most effective disguise for the situation. It's a remarkable level of situational awareness and adaptive behavior. Now for some news you can use. For anyone who enjoys exploring marine life, whether through documentaries or snorkeling, pay close attention to patterns and textures on the seafloor or reef. As I said, octopuses are masters of disguise, and often the only clue to their presence is a slight shift in the rock or coral that isn't quite right. Developing a keen eye for subtle changes in the environment can greatly increase your chances of spotting these incredible creatures. Look for eye stalks or slight movements that give away their presence, as their camouflage is designed to fool even the most observant predators and observers. For those who don't have the chance to snorkel and see an octopus in the wild, you can still see these majestic creatures in your local aquarium. Many aquariums have incredible exhibits dedicated to octopuses where you can observe their fascinating behaviors up close in a controlled and ethical environment. Aquariums often provide educational talks and displays that delve into the biology, intelligence, and conservation of octopuses, offering a deeper understanding than you might get from a quick online search. It's a wonderful way to satisfy your curiosity and learn from experts, all while supporting marine conservation efforts. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Earlier in the episode, I asked, could octopuses be so intelligent they can unscrew jars from the inside out to get to food? This is an actual fact. Octopuses are indeed incredibly intelligent and have demonstrated their problem-solving abilities by unscrewing jars to access food. There are numerous documented cases and videos of octopuses in aquariums successfully manipulating jars and other containers, proving their dexterity and cognitive skills. This remarkable feat showcases their flexible bodies, strong suckers, and curious minds, making them one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Their ability to learn and adapt to new challenges continues to surprise researchers. I hope you enjoyed learning about octopuses with me today. Be sure to tune in every weekday for even more fun facts. Fun Facts Daily is an Airwave Media podcast. It was written, recorded, mixed, and edited by me, Kyle Wood. Thanks for sharing a part of your day with me. Be sure to follow Fun Facts Daily on your favorite podcast app so you can keep the good stuff coming your way every day. And if you like the show, please do me a favor and leave a kind rating, review, or just tell your friends about it.